Flowers.
And to the candidates now, like primary living candidates who are going for exams, please be calm, take your time, understand the question properly, watch, look at the time given allocated to you during the exam, and deliver. I am very sure you will pass. Don't panic, be calm and understand the question. Then I also want to call upon the invigilators. Let us not cause unnecessary excitement among children. You find some of the invigilators, these people who supervise, becoming a bit rude, becoming rough to the children. So we are saying let us work together to ensure that children get that comfort as they sit for their primary living examinations. I wish you all the best.